Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to take and find Steam games screenshot. So if you're playing a Steam game and you want to take a screenshot of the game, to do that, first of all, let's set up our screenshot. So click on Steam and click on settings, and here select in-game. Scroll down. Under screenshot section, you will get this screenshot shortcut key. So from here, you can change your screenshot shortcut key. So by default, it's set to F12 key. So if you want to take a screenshot of your Steam game, you have to press F12 key on your keyboard. And now, to change your screenshot saved folder, here you will get this option, screenshots folder. Just click on change folder, and now you can easily select a drive and you can select a folder to save your Steam screenshots, and click on select folder. And now on, whenever you press F12 key, you will take a screenshot of your Steam game and all of your screenshots will be saved to this folder. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.